Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AICE Psychology Paper one only way. Start by mapping topics across 4 weekly cycles, allocate time for theory and methods, and schedule 2 full past papers per week. Mix short daily reviews with 1 longer session to apply concepts. Track weak areas and revisit them with flashcards and mini quizzes. Keep sessions focused to avoid burnout and aim for steady, measurable improvement. This section breaks down the core content you must own for Paper 1. Focus on research methods and dominant approaches like behaviorism, cognitive, and biological perspectives, and learn essential studies with clear aims and outcomes. Create concise study notes and flashcards for each study, and practice summarizing in 1 or 2 sentences. Regularly test yourself with quick quizzes that force retrieval, not just recognition, to cement understanding and recall. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content that helps you study smarter. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for prepping healthy snacks during long study sessions. I've linked the product and other study deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Improve exam technique by practicing under exact time limits and planning answers quickly with 1-sentence outlines. Use precise terminology and link evidence to theory in every response, and write concise conclusions that answer the question directly. Practice structuring 8 and 12-mark responses to hit command words and assessment criteria. Time yourself strictly, leaving a short review window to correct errors and ensure clarity in each final answer for maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.